Thank you for watching our video. Today we are excited to walk you through properly installing the Whitestone EZ Camera glass for your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra or S20 Plus. Our EZ line of glass protectors are a new line of glass that do not require the full liquid adhesive application like our other dome glass products. These are so easy, so let's just go ahead and get started. First off, here's the alcohol wipe. You need to completely wipe the camera screen with the alcohol pad. Now, dry it off with the cleaning cloth. Here are the dust removal stickers. Grab one and gently pat against the screen to make sure there are no dust particles on the screen. Next, carefully remove the peel-off sheet from the glass by peeling down and carefully place the glass over the cameras. Make sure to align the small hole in the glass with the hole punch on your camera. For the S20 Ultra, the small hole goes towards the top as shown in the video. For the S20 Plus, the small hole goes towards the bottom. Once you have the glass aligned, rub your finger across the bottom and then through the middle as shown. Now, wipe it off again with a cleaning cloth to remove any smudges and to adhere it fully to the camera. Press firmly and rub all along the entire screen. That's it, now you're done. Whitestone's S20 camera glass. It's the easy way to stay safe and look good doing it. I hope this video was helpful. See you next time and have a great day.